In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on school Chromebook. So first off, just copy this link, macrolorblx.com, and you can see Macrolo, three methods to play Roblox on school Chromebook. Just search this in Google, and this will appear in your browser. So first of all, this is where you can play a Roblox in school Chromebook. And here you just can search Roblox and it will appear here. And this is where you play game. And other than that, there are many alternatives in aside from Isifan GG. So there are these are the alternatives of websites that you can try, and you could consider joining this Dodge Unblocker Discord server in case if it will unblock the Roblox. And also it offers tutorials on how to create your own school unblockers. So yeah, and as you can see, it will load. And for now, the website is under attack and temporarily inaccessible. So I have to try this again later. And this is for now. That's it.